Hello, my name is Alex the Polymath. Today I will be doing a tutorial on Prezi. So Prezi is basically just like Google Slides or PowerPoint. It's a presentation creating service. So if you search Prezi into Google, should be the first result, and this pops up. I already have an account, so this is just what pops up if you already have an account. This is what it looks like when you have an account. So we're gonna create from a template today, and it'll give you a bunch of different templates you can use. Can look through them. There are different categories for them. And then you can just do like, this is basically the regular one. It's called blank white. So if you click on that, this pops up, and you click blue to use the template. And you title the presentation, and I'm going to call it History of the World. And you can click on either of these, but to make sure that it's still free, you should click on anyone on the web can see the your Prezi presentation. And then you click the blue button that says continue. And it's loading. There. Double click on this, and it takes you to this screen right here, which is a subtopic of it. I'm just going to call this history or prehistory. Prehistory is a time that is not as well known because we had not written anything down back in prehistoric times. And you can add a subtopic of that and click zoom in, and it goes to this. It's just a subtopic of that original one, but you can go back to this, and then there's your original subtopic. And then you can add another one of these subtopics if you want. And you can also insert images, like more topics, or more subtopics, I guess, from that view. So now I have 3 subtopics. And then we can insert more text areas, like prehistoric area. And then you can also insert images from your computer, or images that are just free from here, from the stock. Story blocks, like a timeline you could add right here. And you can also add like symbols, like add like this one. You can add. Okay, and then you can also change the background if you want to something like this. And you can change the shape of it, like you just change it from a circle to a square. And you can change the colors. Okay, and you can share it with other people if you want. And to present this presentation, you should click on the blue button in the top right of the screen. And there, it's in presenting view. Then to go to the next part, the next subtopic, you click this, and then it goes there. And the next one, the next one. And this is the last one, and it shows the timeline from here. And then lastly, it just shows this. Okay, and then also you have presenter view, which looks like, well, you can't see it because you need to pay for it. Okay, so that's basically it for this Prezi tutorial. Thank you for watching.